My third and final altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be MATIC. Polygon, the famous MATIC. As you can see here, guys, we've got an upwards sloping parallel channel. Not looking all that bad, but what I would say is with BTC trending down, obviously MATIC is going to be trending down as well. We did see nearly all-time highs getting breached most recently here for MATIC. Not quite, didn't quite get there. Back to those May highs coming through. I didn't quite get there, but we tested it nonetheless, right? We did test at least the candle body close there, which is obviously quite progressive there for MATIC. It just shows the confidence is in the air there for MATIC, and obviously all the technology and stuff they've got is pretty good stuff coming through there. In terms of resistance that we are finding along this top side here, very strong. Very, very strong indeed. So this is the next point of resistance I would be looking for if we do see progression to the upside. Whether we break that to the upside, it would be amazing. If we can, we're going to be looking at this measure move here, guys. This measure move, where is it? Yeah, this is the measure move, top side to bottom side here. We're going to be basically bringing that up, and that's going to be the breakout scenario we are going to be looking for around a 43.04% gain there. Pretty progressive indeed. To the lower side here, out of this chart pattern, if we do break down here, we've obviously got this measure move like so, and then this is going to be the move to the downside, around 41% gain there. This is only really going to happen if BTC is going to have the continuation of the downside. They're very strong indeed in terms of a downtrend there, so definitely something to be looking out for there. If BTC is going to be crashing, we want to be profiting from that crash across the board, across altcoin breakdowns, right? Now, those are the breakout scenarios for the longer term time frames. For the short position I did execute coming through here, we have seen quite a nice progression, right? I didn't want to get in until we cleared the 200 EMA, and also this very strong horizontal here. As you can see, very strong horizontal at $1.932 there. You can see the resistance coming down from that zone, and also the support, right? The support along this zone is really, really quite strong. So that's why I didn't really want to get in until we broke that, because I was shorting this. Well, I am shorting this at this time. And I'm aiming for around 26% there, but really probably more like 21% if we are going to see the completion of this measure move. But I am taking profit the whole way, guys. I've already hit 2 take profits along this zone. I'll show you the candle entry that I got involved with. It was the candle body close below this zone, below all major moving averages, below this low as well. It was a very nice, quite a nice entry there. First take profit point was at this point here at $1.81 there, $1.81. Second take profit, $1.75. What do you do when you hit your first take profit, guys? You take your stop loss, you move your stop loss to your entry point, right? So my stop loss is now at my entry point. I've already taken profit twice, and now I'm just letting it run, right? I'm letting it run because I know it's profitable. I've already made like a nice 4.9% gain there, and a nice 8.29% gain there. So really quite profitable in a sense. And now I'm looking for the 11%. If I don't get it, it's not the end of the world. My stop loss is at break even. So now I just basically have my limit orders set, and I'm just like, cool, let it run. I'm cool. I've already made money. It's a successful trade. I don't need to look at it again. When it does hit more take profits, it's going to be good. It's going to be great stuff indeed, and I might think about trailing my stop loss down as we go, but to be honest, I'm happy with how it's run so far. And if BTC is going to start trending down again, then yeah, we're probably going to see MATIC do the same. So yeah, it's really not all bad news for my trade there. But yeah, that's just something I did want to touch on ever so briefly. I think I did touch on the potential possibilities for this trade, probably like maybe a week ago or so, maybe last week. And yeah, so this is something I did jump in and get involved with. So yeah, well done to anyone else who did their own research and did get involved with too. But overall, I would say it is still looking quite bearish for MATIC. We do have quite strong high lows here in terms of the most recent crashes on December the 4th. So yeah, these obviously the candle bodies after that zone that were pretty much testing that level of support here at $1.75 there, $1.75 there. If we can break that to the lower side there, easily $1.70, easily to get tested. We're below all major moving averages here. We've got the volume weighted ATR band sat at $1.76. So yeah, we could easily wick below that or use that as support. So we'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah, that's gonna be your daily update today on MATIC. What I would say is fairly bearish, right? If you are looking for that bullish momentum, I would say you want to be getting over this $1.86 there for that confirmation for that leg up, and the leg up would be up to $1.92 there. 93, sorry, and just take into consideration, right, there is resistance from this zone as well. Multiple times we have tested that and got pretty swiftly rejected. So yeah, just please take that into consideration if you are looking for any sort of trade or anything like that. But yeah, that was the reason I didn't jump in as of yet until we got a nice candle body close below that. Yeah, that's gonna be your daily update today on MATIC.